What's up guys, Intellitech Studios here, and today we'll be featuring the Hoover PowerMax 2. Now this is one of my many elites that I have right now, and I am downsizing my elite collection, and this is likely going to be one of the machines that gets cut. So this machine is for sale. I'll be listing it right after this video. Before this video goes live, I'll have it listed on my eBay, Intellitech Vax. So this machine is in decent condition, works really good. That's just the only issue with it, is that it doesn't like to stand up. And so I'm not sure if that's the motor mounts or if it's the pedal release or some combination of the both. But that's the only issue, is it struggles to stand up a little bit. But it's easy to release at least. But the cord's in great shape, the vacuum's in great shape. Complete has all the attachments. If I can get the cover off. But it's complete, has all the attachments and everything. And the wand. So yeah, and it runs good too. I've got a Y bag in it, as you'd expect. And it has a filter right there. If I flop it over, you can see brush roll's in good shape. Belt on this model's in good shape, nice and tight, no real issues with that. Sticker's kind of falling off a little bit. So it's model U5246-900, and this particular machine is from, I don't know if there's a date code on it. It says 03 and then a bunch of numbers, so maybe it's 2003, but not sure about that. Maybe I'm reading that wrong. I feel like it'd be a bit too new for 2003. Or I guess too old technically. So I feel like this would have been like 98 or something like that. I could be wrong though, because it does appear to be basically a caddy vac with like a Dimension Supreme style bag. So we'll see how it goes. And in traditional elite fashion, this thing is very loud. I do need to adjust it down a little bit. That should be sufficient. Maybe up another notch. Well, no, I think 2 is right. Whatever. Close enough. Anyways, we'll run this loud thing. Yeah. So, runs very well. And that's pretty much that. I noticed the headlight doesn't appear to work, but whatever. I don't feel like replacing it. But yeah, pretty solid. And of course it's complete. It has all the attachments. So slap a couple motor mounts on this thing and it's damn near perfect because there's very little scratches on it. It runs very smooth. It is, of course, it's a higher amperage Elite, so it's going to be pretty noisy. I've got earplugs in right now. It's the only way I can use one of these, and even so, it's not very comfortable because of obviously the air pressure difference. But nevertheless, it's still a nice machine. It's very ugly. the the like puke green and piss yellow doesn't really evoke a positive combination, at least in my sense of style. But hey, it's definitely unique. You got to give it that. Apparently, I've just been attacked by Subway coupons. So yeah, it's definitely an interesting machine. But since I have plenty of Elite machines, this is one that will leave the collection soon and hopefully enter one of your guys' homes, as again, this machine is for sale. I've had it for sale on my marketplace for a bit as of the time I record this, but I haven't had any luck trying to sell it, so it's probably going to go on eBay. I'm starting to list a couple machines on eBay and try that and see how well the eBay route works. Hopefully it's not too bad and I don't get ripped off too hard, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so if you want this machine, it is available, this exact unit, and you can buy it and then you'll own it. That's typically how most transactions work. So yeah, this is Intellitech Studios signing out with a super quick video of the PowerMax 2 vacuuming the living room. This will get a full review at some point, but I'm not sure if it'll be the PowerMax 2 specifically or if it'll just be Elites in general. I don't really know if there's a practical reason for reviewing every single Elite that I have, because they are all basically the same. So that's pretty much that. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace.